UNgqongqoshe wezemisebenzi kaHulumeni kanye nengqalasizinda uPatricia Lille uthi lezo izisebenzi kaHulumeni ezephula umthetho zenze nebhizinisi noMbuso zizothweswa amacala obugebengu. Lille uthi eMnyangweni wakhe nje kuphela kunezisebenzi eziyizinkulungwane ezenza ibhizinisi noMbuso kanti amanye amakhulu anawawo amabhizinisi. Lille wexwayisa izisebenzi kaHulumeni eMnyangweni wakhe ukuthi zikuyeke lokhu ngokuphazima kweso.
Lille uthi kwisebe lakhe kuphela bangaphezulu kwe-3,700 abasebenzi abenza ushishino noRhulumente. Oku kwenzeka nakuba imiqathango yokwenza umsebenzi noRhulumente ibathintela ukuba benze njalo. UPatricia uthi uRhulumente uza kwenza konke nakho ukukhangela abophula umthetho.
We can pursue civil litigation. We can approach the Special Investigating Unit so that people can understand that they will be held liable in future, which could be criminal or civil, and that the liability doesn't just stop with the political or the executive authority.
Iziko elingukhala kwimicimbi yoluntu lithi ukungabikho kwesohlwayo kubangela ukuba abasebenzi bophule umthetho.
It's high time that people are not just suspended, but are actually appear before a disciplinary inquiry.
uCruz uthi lithe gqolo ukwenyuka inani labasebenzi abashishina noRhulumente nakuba kukho izithintelo. Uthi lulawulo oluqatha nolucacileyo olwakutshintsha le meko. Dingilulama Matya wendaba zeSABC eKapa.